of Manipur Naga People's Front left for Kohima for a joint meeting at NPF Kohima Central Office to discuss NPF's support to BJP-led coalition government in Manipur. The meeting, which began at 12 noon, is chaired by NPF Working President Sorhojali Lijetsu. The Board of Secondary Education Manipur will declare the Manipur 10th result 2019 this afternoon. The Manipur 10th result or the BOSEM SSLC result will be available at board official website. Pakhang Bacheng Hongbo ritual was widely held in Manipur today. The main solemn rite was organized by Lining Amadi Inat Yokatpa Apunba Malem at DM College Indoor Stadium, Imphal. Tripura Chief Minister Biplab Kumar Deb along with a top-level administrative team visited various cyclone-affected areas in and around capital Agartala, which were affected due to storm and heavy rain since May 15 and took stock of the situation. The Chief Minister interacted with the members of affected families and assured them of all support from the state government. BSP Chief and former UP Chief Minister Mayawati attacks the BJP-led government at center and state for lack of development in the Purbanchal region. Prime Minister Narendra Modi's Gujarat model has not been even slightly successful in removing the poverty, unemployment and backwardnesses, which is a blatant betrayal, Mayawati accused. Security forces this morning surrounded a group of militants triggering an encounter in South Kashmir's Pulwama. A gunfight erupted soon after the security forces came to the Pangjam area of Awantipura in a neutral operation. Initial reports suggest one Hizbul Mujahideen militant has died so far in the exchange of fire. However, the police have not confirmed any casualty officially. A former official of Central Intelligence Agency was sentenced to 20 years of imprisonment for spying for China. The former official Kabil Murali was convicted under the Espionage Act for selling classified U.S. defense information to a Chinese intelligence agent for US $25,000. U.S. diplomats have warned that commercial airliners flying over the wider Persian Gulf face a risk of being misidentified amid heightened tensions between the U.S. and Iran. The warning relayed by U.S. diplomatic post from the Federal Aviation Administration underlined the risks the current tensions pose to a region crucial to global air travel.